Hello friends, welcome to my channel Biotech Tutorials. In today's video, we will discuss about questions based on HPLC. इस वीडियो में मैं कुछ questions दूंगी, ठीक है? उसके आंसर्स मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दूंगी आपको. Question 1, HPLC stands for high pressure liquid chromatography, B high performance liquid chromatography, C both A and B, and D highly placed liquid chromatography. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द इलेवेंट स्ट्रेंथ इज अ मेजर ऑफ सॉल्वेंट एब्जॉर्प्शन एनर्जी, सॉल्वेंट मिक्सिंग इंडेक्स, सॉल्वेंट एड्सॉर्प्शन एनर्जी और सॉल्वेंट डिफ्यूजिबिलिटी. क्वेश्चन थर्ड, HPLC methods include liquid solid chromatography, liquid liquid chromatography, ion exchange and size exclusion chromatography, or all of the above. Question 4, in isocratic illusion the composition of the solvent dash remains constant, changes in a series of steps, changes continuously, or does not change. Next, in reverse phase HPLC, there is a solvent and column. Both polar, polar solvent, non-polar column, non-polar solvent or polar column, or both non-polar. In normal phase HPLC, there is a solvent and column. Non-polar solvent or polar column, both polar, polar solvent or non-polar column, or both non-polar. What are the advantages of HPLC over LPLC? LPLC is low pressure liquid chromatography. A, sample recovery. B, ideal for large molecules. C, great sensitivity. Or D, all of the above. Now, eighth question, which can be used as a mobile phase in HPLC? Any compound with solubility in liquid, any compound with less solubility in liquid, any compound with non-solubility in liquid, or any of the above. Question 9. HPLC pump has limited solvent capacity. Means which HPLC pump has limited solvent capacity? Reciprocating, displacement, reciprocating dual pumps, or all of the above. The response time of a detector in HPLC is less than one half of peak width, less than 1/10 of peak width, greater than one half of peak width, or greater than 1/10 of peak width. Which of the following is not true about HPLC? It is highly sensitive, it is performed in columns, it requires high pressure, and there is no need to vaporize samples. You have to tell which one is not true. Which column is not used in HPLC? Guard, analytical capillary, or both A and B. 13th question. Which of the following technique would be useful to identify as well as quantify presence of non-impurity in a drug substance? NMR, MS, IR, or HPLC? Is the most common detector used in HPLC. कौन सा मोस्ट कॉमन डिटेक्टर है जो HPLC में यूज होता है? UV विजिबल डिटेक्टर, स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमीटर डिटेक्टर, फ्लोरेसेंस डिटेक्टर और इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल डिटेक्टर. 15th question, the reverse phase HPLC. In reverse phase HPLC, the mobile phase is polar, non-polar, both A and B, और कोई सा भी हो सकता है. Question 16. Which column is mostly used for non-polar compounds in HPLC? C18, C4, C8 or silica gel. What is the main purpose of mobile phase in HPLC? To maintain column pressure, to prevent sample degradation, to act as a detector for the analyte, to carry analytes through the column. Question 8. Dash flow rate is required to achieve good resolution and separation. High, moderate, low and no pressure. So these are the questions for practice based on HPLC. I will provide answers in my next video. So please share and subscribe this channel, and thank you.